गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सो नीट 2020 एग्जामिनेशन completed है। सो इसमें बायोलॉजी पार्ट, सो बायोलॉजी पेपर इज सो इजी ओके व्हेन कंपेयर्ड विद द लास्ट ईयर टू 2019 एंड इस 2019 में फर्स्ट ईयर एंड सेकेंड ईयर सिलेबस। सो बायोलॉजी पार्ट में फर्स्ट ईयर दैट इज 46 क्वेश्चंस गिवन and 44 questions from the second year itself. So in the 2019 NEET examination. In 2020 NEET examination, so here 45 questions that is from first year and second year itself given in 2020 NEET examination के बारे में. So इसमें वो paper analysis, जो paper analysis most of the questions is given from NCERT textbook only. So those people who confine to NCERT, so definitely they will score best mark okay in this NEET 2020 examinations. So if you analyze that is questions okay, that is questions that is divided into so three patterns hai, that is easy type questions hai, and next one that is a medium and difficulty level okay. So easy, medium and difficulty level questions if you analyze it. So here in 2019 and 2020 okay, so here in 2000 so that is 19, so easy questions out of 90 questions 60 questions is given that is easy questions okay, and 18 questions that is medium type questions as given, and only difficult questions that is only 7 questions in 2019. Whereas in 2020 if you analyze okay, so these three patterns here 26 questions okay, that is botany and zoology as well, botany and zoology, so that is totally biology part 13 plus 13 questions, that is 26 questions that is given easy questions okay, and medium type questions nearly 31 questions that is medium type questions given in 2020 okay, and next difficult type questions nearly 33 questions given, that is here difficulty level questions. So when you compare with the 2019 and 2020 okay, so these are the easy, medium and difficult level questions. So most of the questions is given from NCERT textbook itself okay, and chapter wise questions if you observe okay, so that is some of the questions like so diversity of the life okay, the first chapter that is unit A. So diversity of the life, that is 5 questions given okay, cell cycle, that is cell the unit of life and cell cycle, totally the cell biology okay, so nearly 6 questions given from the cell biology so itself okay. Next plant physiology in first year okay, that is botany part, high weightage chapter, nearly 9 questions given so this year okay, that is, and structural organization in plants okay, so nearly 5 questions given from this structural organization in plants okay, and biology in human welfare, that is only 2 questions given from the biology in human welfare, so that is a chapter, and ecology, organism population, ecosystem, biodiversity, and so that environmental issues, this is completely ecology part, nearly 7 questions is given from the ecology part itself okay. Next animal kingdom from the first year zoology part, the animal kingdom, nearly 5 questions is given from the animal kingdom chapter this year okay, and in first year that is zoology, so where one of the important unit that is human physiology okay, nearly 12 questions given from human physiology this year okay, 12 into 4 48, so that is marks and next biomolecules okay, in from first year nearly 6 questions given from the biomolecules chapter okay, and structural organization in animals okay, so that is 2 questions given from the structural organization in animal chapter, that is animal husbandry and biotechnology, so this year nearly 10 questions given from structural animal husbandry and biotechnology okay, and evolution theories and evidences, that is 4 questions given from this chapter. Human health and diseases, here 4 questions that is given from this chapter, human health and diseases this year okay, and human reproduction and reproductive health, so nearly 4 questions okay, given from this chapter to this chapter is also from second year itself as high weightage chapter 2. Okay, sexual reproduction and reproduction chapter, that is only 2 questions given from the second year itself. And genetics, okay, the principles of inheritance and variation chapter is also high weightage chapter. Nearly 7 questions given from this chapter. Overall 90 questions given from this first year and second year self. So these are the list of total chapter wise analysis. Okay, let us discuss the biology question paper, that is questions. Okay, so one of the question is given like this only: which of the following would help in prevention of diuresis? Okay, so here first option, decrease in secretion of renin by JG cells, okay, juxtaglomerular cells. So this is not correct. So more water reabsorption due to under secretion of, that is vasopressin ADH. Okay, so this is also not helps in the prevention of diuresis. Reabsorption of sodium and water from renal tubule due to aldosterone. Yes, aldosterone, which stimulates the water and sodium reabsorption from the renal tubules. Okay, so this is the right statement. Atrial natriuretic factor causes vasoconstriction. Actually, it is ANF act as a vasodilation, not vasoconstriction. So this is the wrong statement. So answer is third options too. And one more question is given: embryological support for evolution was disapproved by. Okay, so here the scientists like Oparin is given, and Carl Ernst von Baer, and Alfred Wallace, and Charles Darwin. See, Charles Darwin, Alfred Wallace, okay, that is a natural selection. Charles Darwin, he proposed the natural selection, and Alfred Wallace, theory of evolution by the natural selection. So these are also not correct. Oparin, so along with the Haldane, he experimented, okay, and identified life is originated from the inorganic molecules. So Oparin is also not correct. So Carl Ernst von Baer, yes, okay, he belongs to embryological evidences, that is scientist who supports the evolution with the help of his experiments, his observations from the embryology. Okay, so second option, that is von Baer. And next one more question is given like this: so goblet cells of alimentary canal are modified from. So goblet cells which helps in secretion of the mucus. So what kind of cells which modified into goblet cells? So compound epithelial cells? No. So squamous epithelial cells? This is also not correct. Chondrocytes? Okay, this is also not correct. These are present in cartilages. Columnar epithelial cells? Yes, simple columnar epithelial cells which modified into goblet cells which secretes the mucus. Okay, so columnar epithelial cells is the answer. And next, so QRS complex question, that is QRS complex in standard ECG, so which represents. Okay, so if you observe that this here standard ECG, in standard ECG, okay, so these are the, okay, represents. So like this is the P wave, here Q, R, S, here the T wave, these are. And this P wave which represents the depolarization of atria. Depolarization of atria means that is contraction. Here QRS complex, so which represents depolarization. Depolarization of ventricles. Ventricles contraction. Okay. Here the T wave, repolarization of ventricles. So repolarization. So repolarization means relaxation. Okay. So depolarization means contraction. So here the QRS complex, what it represents? It represents the contraction of the ventricles. Nothing but depolarization. Okay. So answer is depolarization of ventricles. Okay. And one more question is given. This is the match the following. So match the following columns and select the correct statement. Okay, column 1 and column 2 that is given. 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. Where do you find these are? So these are present in cyclostomes. So this is from the animal kingdom. Okay. Next, heterocercal caudal fin. Heterocercal caudal fin means, so here the vertebra is present. Okay. So these vertebra that is extended into, okay, so that is upper lobe in the tail part. Okay, in the tail part, so where these vertebra is extended into that part. So example, that is sharks. Sharks which belongs to, so that is which class? That is Chondrichthyes. So heterocircle caudal fin is present in Chondrichthyes. And third one is air bladder. So where do you find this air bladder? Air bladder is present in bony fishes. Okay, bony fishes, those are called as Osteichthyes. Cartilaginous fishes, those are called Chondrichthyes. Okay, poisonous sting example, trigon. Okay, so these are the answers.